everyone, and welcome to the next lecture. Today we're going to create a program that takes a number from the user. Actually, it's an integer, must be an integer. And if this number is multiple of 5, the program is going to display high 5. And if it's multiple by 2, or an even number, let's say it's an even number, so the program is going to display high even. Okay, so how are we going to do this? So let's get started and write this from scratch with each other. So again, hash include iostream, our library, and then using namespace std, and then int main, this is our main program, and our curly braces. So we want the user to enter an integer value, okay, an integer value. So int, for example, q, okay, and we are going to see out a message to the user saying please enter a number, and \n, which means that it's a null line. And then we're going to take the q from the user. Okay, so if q mod 5 equals to 0, which means that there is no remainder, so it's multiple of 5. So the program is going to say or display high 5 \n for, sorry, it must be, the n must be in small, and semicolon. And we're going to try another if q mod 2 equals to 0, so there is no remainder, so it's an even number. So cout high even and \n. Don't forget, it must be a small, the n, not the capital. Small n, it must be \, not the normal slash. So let's try to run this program. Please enter a number 2 high even. Great. We can also try this with the else if. Else if works the same as if. Okay, so let's run this, and we can type, for example, 5. So high 5 because 5 is a multiple of 5. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial, and thank you, and stay tuned for the next one.